Have you heard of induction cooktops? Induction cooking is faster, easier, and more efficient. That means a lower SWEPCO bill and cooking your food faster and better. Induction elements transfer electromagnetic energy through the glass surface directly to the pot, with no burners and no wasted energy. That's also a great safety feature. No heat is transferred from the induction element, even when it's on, until the proper pots and pans are put on it, keeping you and your family safe. The induction elements also use 30% less energy than electric coils and far less than gas burners, adding up to more cost savings. Induction cooking lets you control and maintain cooking temperatures easily and precisely, in no time at all. Just look, in the time it takes to boil water, you've learned the benefits of induction cooking. For more ways to save energy and money, visit swepco.com/save.